The SUMAKE automatic rivet feeder is a groundbreaking solution for riveting, featuring an automatic feeding system that quickly loads and inserts rivets into the rivet nosepiece. This feature not only reduces labor costs by over 50% but also minimizes the operator's involvement. With one hand holding the workpiece and another hand operating auto-feeding rivet gun, work can be done fast and easily. Additionally, the system incorporates a vibration bowl and a linear laser design to ensure stable feeding. It is capable for feeding 15 to 20 rivets per minute. The counter allows for easy verification of the quantity of used rivets, and the control panel's knob allows precise adjustment of both vibration and linear feeding speed. The SUMAKE automatic rivet feeder is suitable for applications such as computer terminal cases, aluminum cases, electronics, automotive, lighting, marine, aerospace, manufacturing, and more. SUMAKE. Make jobs better than ever.